If you're looking to add some greenery and fresh flavors to your home without the hassle of soil gardening, growing plants and herbs in water can be a convenient and rewarding option. Not only does it save space, but it also allows you to enjoy the benefits of fresh herbs and green plants year-round. Whether you have a sunny windowsill or a well-lit corner, there are plenty of plants and herbs that can thrive in water alone. In this video, we will explore some of the best plants and herbs to grow in water, giving you the inspiration to create your own water-based garden oasis. 1. Mint. Mint is a refreshing herb that can be easily grown in water. Simply take stem cuttings with a few leaves intact and place them in a glass container filled with water. Mint loves moisture and will quickly develop roots, allowing you to enjoy its aromatic leaves for teas, desserts, or savory dishes. 2. Basil. Basil is a popular herb in many cuisines and can be grown successfully in water. Take stem cuttings from a healthy basil plant and place them in a glass of water. Basil loves warmth and sunlight, so make sure to keep it in a well-lit spot. With time, roots will form, and you can harvest the leaves to enhance the flavor of your favorite dishes. 3. Sage. Sage is an herb known for its aromatic leaves and culinary uses. To grow sage in water, take stem cuttings from a mature plant and place them in a container filled with water. Sage prefers bright light and well-drained conditions, so ensure it gets sufficient sunlight while maintaining the water level. 4. Oregano. Oregano is a versatile herb used in Mediterranean cuisine. It can be easily propagated in water by taking stem cuttings and placing them in a glass of water. Oregano enjoys full sun and warmth, so provide it with ample light to thrive and enjoy the flavorful leaves in your cooking. 5. Lemongrass. Lemongrass adds a citrusy and aromatic flavor to dishes and herbal teas. To grow lemongrass in water, place a fresh stalk with the bulb end in a glass of water. Keep the water level high enough to cover the bulb. Lemongrass enjoys warmth and sunlight, so provide it with a sunny location. 6. Lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo is not technically an herb, but it is a popular plant to grow in water. Place bamboo stalks in a container filled with water, ensuring the water covers the roots. Lucky bamboo can tolerate low-light conditions and can add an aesthetic appeal to your water garden. 7. Pothos. Pothos is a popular choice for water gardening due to its ability to adapt to various conditions. With heart-shaped leaves that come in different shades of green, it adds a vibrant touch to any space. Pothos can be easily propagated in water by placing stem cuttings in a glass container filled with water. Experiment with different varieties, provide them with the right conditions, and you'll soon have a thriving water-based garden to enjoy year-round.